As you can see, I have already opened or imported the video into the CapCut app. Now I will move the playhead to the duration when the man is standing near to the wooden logs, because at this duration my text is completely visible, and in your case, depending upon your video, you need to find a frame in the video which is suitable for you and when the text is completely appearing. We need to take a screenshot now because CapCut does not have the perspective text effect. So we will take screenshot and then import that screenshot into the Pixellab app to create the perspective text. So tap on full screen button and then take the screenshot of this frame. And let's now open the Pixellab app. Link to both apps is in the description, so if you want to install those apps, then check the links in the description. Tap on the fourth icon at the bottom. Tap on from gallery and go to the location where you have taken the screenshot. Select that screenshot image, and at the bottom there are different aspect ratios, so tap on 16:9 aspect ratio. It will automatically fit the frame of the video. Click OK. Now tap on A icon at the bottom and tap on edit to edit the text. I am going to write hiking in the capital letters. Now to change the font, scroll the options and tap on font. You can select any font listed here or import your own fonts. I am going to select Alpha Slab 1 regular. Click OK. Before I add a perspective effect to the text, I am going to increase the size. This is optional. If you want to increase the size of the text, you can. I am going to make the size around 220. Click OK. If you scroll the options at the bottom, then you will see the perspective button. Tap on that and then tap on enable, because when we will be using these 4 anchor points, we want to see the effect live or in real time. We are going to use the path as a reference and the vertical wooden logs as another reference line. So first I will drag the topmost or top left anchor point on the left, the bottommost also to the left, then right top point and the right bottom point. Let's use this wooden log as a reference to align the text here like this, and then we will drag the other points a little bit further, and now we are using the path as a reference to align the text or to give it the perspective effect. If you are happy with the perspective effect, then click OK. Now we will remove the image because we do not need it. So let's again tap on the fourth icon at the bottom and tap on transparent because we do not want it. Tap on save button at the top, tap on save as image, then select the format as PNG. Dimensions you can change from default to ultra and tap on save to gallery. Now we will add the image which we just saved into the CapCut project. Tap on plus button, go to the location where your image is located, select that image, select HD option to retain the original quality of the image. Tap on add button, it will be added to the project. Select the image and at the bottom there is a overlay button. Tap on it so that it is moved to another layer. Now the duration is only 3 seconds for the image and we want to match it to the video duration. Hold the right hand end and drag it till it matches the duration of the video. Move the playhead to the start. While image is selected, scroll the options at the bottom till you find the mask option. Tap on mask button and then select the split. So split mask has been added, and to adjust the different parameters of the masking, tap again on the split. Then you will have these different options called position, rotate and feather. We want to make the yellow line vertical, so go to rotate option and then rotate it to -90, and as you can see the text is becoming visible. So let's make it -90. Tap on position and change the X position till the text is not visible. Now add a keyframe at the start and move the playhead so the person is walking a little bit further, and now adjust the X axis so that it will make the text visible a little bit, and go to the feather option to add a little bit of feather effect. So around 25 is okay. Again go to position tab, move the playhead a little bit further, again increase the x-axis position or move it to the right hand side so it will give the text reveal effect. Then again move the playhead a little bit, and obviously you can fine tune the animation depending upon your video and the text. I am going to quickly add all the keyframes which I need for this video, and then in the end I will show you the result. So as you can see, all the keyframes have been added. I will just tap somewhere else, go to the start, and let's preview the effect. And as you can see, this effect looks really cool. If you like this tutorial, then please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel. In the description you will find the playlist to more CapCut related tutorials. If you have some request or you want some another type of tutorial, just write it in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay healthy.